like to show you a fun way to wrap a stuffed animal. This cute thing is a rabbit's head with a blanket. Let's get started with the paper size. The width of the paper should cover half of the body on both the right and the left side. The length of the paper covers the entire height, including the thickness, plus add about 4 inches or 10 cm on both the front and back. You can also use 2 sheets of paper pasted in the center. Place it upright in the center of the paper and make creases on both right and left sides. Fold both sides parallel along the lengths using the creases. I'm using double-sided paper, but it's not necessary. You can use single-sided paper with a blank back. Place it upright in the center again. Make creases of the thickness on both the back and front. Fold vertically inward using both creases like this. Okay, the paper is ready. Fold it for now. Use tissue as an internal wrap, which makes it look prettier. You can use either square or rectangular tissue. Put some tissue together in a size large enough to wrap it. Make sure the corners are at least 4 inches or 10 cm above the top. After checking the size of the tissue, attach all the tissue together with regular tape. Put it back on the center of the tissue. Lift the tissue up and gather all together around the neck. And squeeze them tightly around the neck. Then secure with a rubber band. Fluffing out the tissue. Let's start wrapping with the paper. Open it up and place that stuffed animal wrapped in tissue in the creases in the middle of the paper. Attach both sides of the paper to the body with regular tape and secure it. After make it stand, first lift the paper on the back like this, then front, while making the bottom corner fold like this. Secure it with the regular tape. Follow the same steps on the other side. First fold the back, then the front side like this, and secure with regular tape. Make it stand and clinch paper around the neck while adjusting the paper. Open the top edge of the paper to show the face. Pull out the tissue to make it fluffy. After squeezing around the neck tightly, secure it with a little larger rubber band. After adjusting the paper, cut off the excess on both the front and back edges to show the face. Pull out tissue and adjust the paper neatly. You can wrap the sitting stuffed animal in the same way. The bottom part will be a little bigger. Let's tie a bow. Make a loop on the tail with a right shoulder end. Just make the tail a little longer. Keep this point and wrap it around the neck with a longer end ribbon. The shorter ribbon to the right crosses under the longer ribbon to the left and pulls up to the upper right. Make a loop with long end ribbon on the left and squeeze it. Since this ribbon is a one-sided ribbon, wrap the loop 1.5 around with the right shoulder end ribbon. In front, tuck under the knot and then pull it out to the left. To tighten, pull out the bottom side of both loops. Then trim the both tails. I think it's cute to show the face as it with the top open. But if you want to hide it as a secret present, here is the way. Fold the tissue to the same size as it covers the base. cover it on the face and push it between the tissue and the body. Isn't this adorable? I'm sure your loved one will be happy.